Okay, let's make the female part. Remember, this is 10 wide, and there is a distance of 10 millimeters from here to the top of this clasp. This clasp will go in 2 millimeters and is 2 millimeters top to bottom. All right. Let's start a sketch. All right, and I need to make a rectangle. The rectangle needs to have a length of 10 and a height of 2. Check. And now I need to position it. So it's going to have to be 10 millimeters from the top and 10 millimeters from the top and 15 millimeters from the side. Check and check. Finish that sketch. Extrude, and we're going to remove this time. And see, looks good. Check. Okay. Male and female clasp done.